Hello students, today we go to module 2 integer programming. The detailed syllabus was discussed earlier and now we go to the contents of module 2 integer programming. The contents are first section ILP in two-dimensional space. Then general ILP and MILP problems. ILP means integer linear programming and MILP means mixed integer linear programming. And there are solution procedures. First one is the graphical. Two-dimensional integer linear programming can be solved by graphical method. Otherwise, we have to find new methods. First one is the cutting plane method and it is using the simplex procedure. Then we have some remarks on cutting plane methods. The second method other than graphical is branch and bound method. Then examples for branch and bound method. Next section is general description, and lastly we have a special case of ILP, the 0-1 variable programming problem, and the sections are taken from text of Mittal chapter 6 section 6.1 to 6.10, means that full of chapter 6. Module 1 was the same text, KV Mittal and C. Mohan, optimization methods in operation research and system analysis. Now let us refresh what is a mathematical programming problem. This is an example of a mathematical programming problem, or MPP. Here there is no restriction for the objective function or constraints to be linear. Functions must be mathematical. That's only. Here the objective function is a second degree equation and constraints are all second degree. It may be of any degree. Mathematical functions. It can be sin x, cos x, e raised to x, etc. Anyone can be the objective function or constraints. Such a problem is called the mathematical programming problem. Objective function is a mathematical function, either minimization or maximization of objective function subject to constraints. Let us represent it by GAX greater than or equal to, less than or equal to 0. And x greater than or equal to 0 is also optional. It may be restricted to be positive or it may not be restricted to be positive. Now we come to the linear programming problem. You know that it is about minimizing or maximizing a linear objective function subject to linear constraints, which was dealt in all the simplex procedures that we have studied in module 1. And if the objective function is linear, we write f of x equal to cx subject to constraints are all linear, x greater than or equal to, less than or equal to b with x greater than or equal to 0. And non-negativity restriction is optional. Sometimes some variables are unrestricted and we can replace it. This is not the standard or general form. This is the all representation of all possible forms. Objective function can be minimization or maximization. Constraints can be greater than or equal to, less than or equal to. There may be non-negativity restrictions or may not be non-negativity restrictions, but it is linear. Objective function and constraints are linear. Now we come to integer linear programming problem. Here also objective function and constraints are linear and it can be classified into pure integer linear programming problem. It is not indicated in the name. We say that integer linear programming problem if it is pure. And the other one is the mixed integer linear programming problem. If we have a pure integer linear programming problem, linear LPP, objective function linear, minimize or maximize f of x equal to cx. LPP കൂടെ അഡീഷണൽ ആയിട്ട് ഇൻറ്റീജിയർ എന്നൊരു ടേമും കൂടെ വന്നിട്ടുണ്ട്. അപ്പോൾ ഇൻറ്റീജിയർ വെക്ടറിന്റെ കേസിൽ കൊണ്ടുവരും. സബ്ജക്ട് ടു ax greater than or equal to b, ax less than or equal to b, or ax equal to b. This much same as that of the LPP. And x is an integer vector. X greater than or equal to 0 may or may not appear. All of the variables restricted to be integers. Then it is a pure integer linear programming problem. All of the variables restricted to be integers. എല്ലാ വേരിയബിളും ഇൻറ്റീജർ ആവണം. This is an example. Minimize x plus y linear objective function subject to x plus y greater than or equal to 10, 2x plus 5y less than or equal to 14, xy greater than or equal to 0 and integers. And integers എന്നുള്ള പാർട്ട് ഇല്ലെങ്കിൽ ഇതൊരു സ്റ്റാൻഡേർഡ് അല്ല ഈക്വാളിറ്റി വെച്ചാണ് കൺസ്ട്രെയിൻ സ്റ്റാൻഡേർഡ് ഫോമിൽ എഴുതുക. അപ്പോൾ അത് കൺവേർട്ട് ചെയ്യാവുന്നുള്ളൂ, സ്ലാക്ക് സർപ്ലസ് ഒക്കെ ആഡ് ചെയ്ത്. ദിസ് ഈസ് ആൻഡ് LPP if we neglect the part and integers. In addition, if all the x and y are the variables, all the variables are restricted to be integers, it is a pure integer linear programming problem. Now we move to mixed integer linear programming problem. LPP, in addition integer restriction, ILPP. In addition mixed integer restriction, then mixed, not pure, mixed integer linear programming problem. If we consider the above example, minimize x plus y linear objective function subject to linear constraints xy greater than or equal to 0, and here not all of the variables restricted to be integers. Some of the variables are restricted to be integers. There may be more than 2 variables and some of the variables ഏതെങ്കിലും കുറച്ചെണ്ണം integers ആയിട്ട് restrict, അതാണ് mixed. കുറച്ചെണ്ണം integers, കുറച്ചെണ്ണം integers അല്ലാത്തത്. Therefore we call it as mixed integer linear programming problem. Here y is restricted to be an integer vector. Y should be an integer. Y should be an integer. X integer ആവണമെന്ന് നിർബന്ധം പറഞ്ഞിട്ടില്ല. Not all of the variables restricted to be integers. It is not a pure integer programming problem. Such problems are termed as mixed integer programming problems. The standard form is LPP എഴുതുക, വെക്ടറിൽ മിക്സഡ് ഇൻറ്റിജർ വെക്ടർ മതി എന്ന് പറയാം. മിനിമൈസ് ഓർ മാക്സിമൈസ് fx equal to cx subject to ax greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, or equal to b. X is a mixed integer vector. That means not all but some of the variables restricted to be integers. That is mixed integer linear programming problem or MILPP. Note that ILPP can be classified into two: pure ILPP and mixed ILPP. If all the variables are restricted to be integers, it is a pure ILPP. Not all but some of the variables are restricted to be integers, then it is mixed integer linear programming problem. Then lastly we have a special case, 0-1 programming problem. It is an example, minimize x plus y subject to x plus y equal to 2, xy equal to 0 or 1. Only two options for x and y. If we have more than 2 variables also, then we have 2 options for all the variables. Either the variables equal to 0 or the variables equal to 1. X can be 0 or 1, y can be 0 or 1, satisfying the constraints x plus y equal to 2, and we have to minimize the objective function. Its general form can be written as, this is a 0-1 linear programming problem. 0-1 linear ആവണം നിർബന്ധമൊന്നുമില്ല. Any objective function, any constraint subject to xy restricted to be 0-1 variables. These variables are called 0-1. 0-1 variables എന്ന് വിളിക്കാറുണ്ട്. 0-1 linear programming ആണെങ്കിൽ, 0-1 linear programming ആണെങ്കിൽ minimize or maximize f of x subject to f of x equal to cx subject to x greater than or equal to or less than or equal to b. linear ആണെങ്കിൽ, ഇതിപ്പോൾ linear ആവണം നിർബന്ധമൊന്നുമില്ല. 0-1 the term is only 0-1 programming, minimize or maximize fx. അതുകൊണ്ടാണ് cx എഴുതാത്തത്. cx എഴുതി ax എന്ന് എഴുതുകയാണെങ്കിൽ അതൊരു 0-1 LPP ആയിരിക്കും, 0-1 linear programming problem. അതിലും കൂടുതൽ അത് വളരെ കോമൺ അല്ല, അതുകൊണ്ടാണ് നമ്മൾ 0-1 LPP പറയുന്നതിന് പകരം 0-1 പ്രോഗ്രാമിംഗ് പറയുന്നത്. ദിസ് ഈസ് MPP വിത്ത് 0-1 വേരിയബിൾസ്. മിനിമൈസ് ഓർ മാക്സിമൈസ് f of x സബ്ജക്ട് ടു ഈക്വൽ ടു cx എഴുതി അത് LPPയും കൂടെ ആവും. MPP വിത്ത് 0-1 വേരിയബിൾ സബ്ജക്ട് ടു കൺസ്ട്രെയിൻസ് ലീനിയർ ആണെന്ന് നിർബന്ധമൊന്നുമില്ല. gi of x greater than or equal to or less than or equal to 0, xi equal to 0 or 1. And the given example, a very linear programming problem, is a mathematical programming problem. Therefore, it is a 0-1 programming problem. In addition, it is a 0-1 linear programming problem. Objective function linear, constraints linear. Restriction of all variables to 0-1 variables. Therefore, it is a 0-1 programming, and in addition, it is a 0-1 linear programming problem. There can be mixed 0-1 programming problems also. That means some of the variables may be restricted to 0 or 1. Other variables may be restricted to non-negative, may not be may not having any restrictions, etc. If one of the variables, at least one of the variables restricted to 0, 1, then it is a 0, 1 programming problem. Mixed 0, 1 programming problems undava. These are the basics of module 2, and we move to ILP in 2 dimension first. First we have to solve the 2-dimensional integer linear programming problem. That is, the benefit of 2 dimension is that we have to we can plot the graph of the feasible region and find the integer coordinates which are feasible, and then we can identify the solution. And it is the simplest case, so we first deal with ILP in 2 dimension. Then if it is not in 2 dimension, then graphical procedure does not work, so we have to develop new methods. Here, cutting plane method using simplex procedure and branch and bound, which is a generalization of graphical procedure, are used to find the solution of integer linear programming problems. Now we can come to the section 1 in detail in the next class. Thank you.